In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to update your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset on Windows. If you're dealing with audio issues, crackling, low volume, or you just want the headset running at peak performance, this quick guide will help you fix things fast. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open up Device Manager. The fastest method is pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run box, type dvmgmt.msc and hit Enter. Device Manager will launch immediately. Once you're in, scroll down and find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Click the little arrow to expand the category. Look for anything labeled HyperX, such as HyperX Virtual Surround Sound. When you see it, right-click and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the prompt and let Windows remove the driver. After that, unplug your headset from your PC and restart your computer. Restarting clears out any leftover settings that might conflict with the new driver. When your system is back up, reconnect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. Windows should automatically detect it and install the correct driver again. If you want even better performance, you can update your Realtek audio drivers as well. Just go to the official Realtek website and download the latest high-definition audio codec package that matches your version of Windows. Run the installer, follow the steps, and restart your PC once more. Finally, reconnect the headset and run a quick sound test. Open YouTube, play a song, or launch a game to check the audio quality. At this point, everything should sound clearer, more balanced, and free of glitches. If issues still remain, consider updating firmware through the HyperX Ingenuity software, which can fine-tune audio settings and push official firmware updates when available. With all these steps done, your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless should be fully updated and performing at its best.